Hi, today I'm going to show you how I made this Squid Game cake. I made a round cake and I covered it with red fondant and I put like a ribbon on the bottom. You can use buttercream or whatever you want, and it could be red, black, white, whatever color you want. And then I got white foamy. Since I didn't have white foamy, I only had a green and it was late at night, so I didn't want to go out. So I just painted it white with white acrylic, and then I drew the characters. I drew the doll and the men in the red overalls. I made them very easy drawings, and I painted the doll with light skin, and then her lips are red. And then I used red for little men's overall and their hood. And then with black, I painted the inside of their face that they have like that mask. And I painted the doll's hair black and her eyes black as well. And then I painted her shirt yellow and her jumper is orange. These are the colors that are in the series, so I used the same. And then with white, and then I let everything dry, and then I drew the outline with the permanent magic marker. I only used the liner for the face, the nose, the outline of the mouth, and the eyes and the eyebrows. I used all that. And then with white, I used the square, the circle, and the triangle, and the line. As you can see, I didn't respect the lines. I went out of the lines when I drew it, especially with the red. It doesn't matter because then we're going to cut it out, so it's okay. After I drew all that in white, I painted the doll's cheeks with pink, very blue, and then I cut the figures out. I also painted the bows in her hair, and I made a beret that has a circle, a triangle, and a square. I also made this division in a little man's face with light green. And then I just cut the figures out, and once I cut them out, I put a little bit of shade on her dress, on her shirt, and her jumper, and her face, but only on the doll. But you don't have to. After I finished this, I made some tea, and I got a white drawing sheet, and I put the tea on it. You didn't notice it here on the video, but it actually was a light brown. And then I let it dry, and then I cut some squares that measure 7 centimeters by 5. I cut them out, and I put the circle, the square, and the triangle, and I put the phone number that's on the series. And then I put like the outlining on dark brown, and I cut them out, and I put everything on the cake. I stuck it. You can stick it with buttercream or jam, whatever you want, and this is what it turned out to be. I hope you guys like it. I hope you subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and activate the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.